Wayne White Watercolors here once again, and today I'm going to talk about how to use your watercolor brushes. This is my brush kit, and you shouldn't tie it in a knot so you can't untie it. So I got it there. Okay, here are my brushes. Now, you don't need all these brushes. What you need one is a wide water brush, I call it. It's for soaking the paper. I use this on the back of the paper to wet it down. A 1 inch flat. It's synthetic, and I probably do 75% of the painting with this brush, and I can use it to make lines. Hold it sideways like this to make lines, or it's great for the foreground and the sky. It's important to work fast, but if you're painting a location called plein air, you really have to work fast. Well, here's my this blue sky now. Okay, I'm about ready to start this painting of the Yosemite. I penciled in very loosely the landscape, and now I'm going to wet the back of the paper with my big Hakey brush. I call it a Hakey brush, but it holds a lot of water, and so you do it just like you're painting something. You go horizontally with lots of water, and it's a fairly warm day, not too warm, so it's not going to dry that quickly. So now I'm going to turn on the landscape side, and I'm going to start with my 1 inch square brush. I see there's clouds in the sky. I'm going to mix up it's important to work fast, but if you're painting a location called plein air, you really have to work fast. Well, here's my this blue sky now. Meadow in the foreground. You want to get a wash down with this raw sienna. I'm putting in the base color of the foreground, the meadow. Put that in, and now the next light color is going to be the gray cliffs. I'll mix up a light gray. Again, I want lots of water here because I don't want the paint to. So you have to use go sideways with the brush and then go vertically up and down as the cliff is. And I twirl the brush however I need it. If I need it to go vertical, then I go this way, sideways this way. Now, I can still use the same brush. But I've got, I put in a little bit of Payne's Gray, which is going to be handy for getting the crags and gullies of the cliff. Holding it vertical like this. So I can put in the fissures and breaks in the cliff. Come over here. Again, holding the brush so the brush is vertical. And just plain gray can be monotonous, so I'm adding some color. Okay, I switched to a round brush because I'm putting in this grove of trees at the base of Yosemite. So I do this, I kind of hold it so the point is up, and that makes the contour of the tree. Sort of a hillside that leads up to the cliffs, and it seems to be scrubby green shrubs all along there. So you can use the point of the brush, this round brush comes to a point, and you can use that to indicate the scrubby gray-green brushes up there. Okay, this is a number 6 round. I'm going to start to put in some trunks. Ooh, that's too wet. Oh, it's not dry yet. Where'd that blotch come from? When you make a mistake, not a mistake, an accident, just take some clear water and wash it out, just like that. Hi, well, I'm gonna sign off now, and this is my quick watercolor painting showing you a variety of brush strokes and how I use the big flat brush to paint horizontally, and also to use it sideways to put in the crags and valleys on the cliff, on Yosemite Cliff. And then I went to the round brush, a big round brush, to paint in the grove of trees along the base of Yosemite Falls. And and from there I went to a much smaller round brush to paint in the trunks of the trees. And I'll also use the big round brush. It has a point on the end of it to jab in the growth on the side of the cliffs. It looks like scrub bushes alongside there. And then of course the sky, I did that first with the 1-inch flat brush and on wet paper, and left the white showing through, which are the clouds. I'll probably come back. I'll come back later and soften the hard edges on the cloud. You see they're kind of sharp. I want them soft like that, so I'll come back and soften those edges on the clouds. But I don't have to do that right now, and I'll probably do a few touch-up things, maybe a little more in the trees. I think the foreground's fine. I'll sign off until next time. Wayne White saying so long.